Good morning. Welcome back to Dash for Adventure. Today we're leaving San Jon, New Mexico. This is where we stayed the night last night. It's a quaint little town just after you pass the Texas-New Mexico border. We have this awesome little park here. And Route 66 actually goes through here. So we may go down parts of Route 66 today.
This tree's all dressed up for Halloween. Check that out. Alexander would have loved that when he was young. I bet Zoe would love it too. Great little picnic area. Baseball fields over there. Playground behind me. And free overnight camping. Well, today we're driving down Route 66 westward towards Tucumcari. All right, still on Route 66. Pulling into Tucumcari, New Mexico. Check out these old Route 66 hotels. This one has garages for each hotel. Blue Swallow. Of course we have to stop and take photos of the angel wings. There's the Paradise Cafe and Paradise Hotel. I'm not sure what the room rates are, but it's overpriced, if anything. A common scene out west. Just little ghost towns. All right, we're back on I-40 heading west, and looks like we're gonna race a train. There's a Union Pacific. The openness and vastness of New Mexico is simply astounding. All right, we're at the Silver Moon in Santa Rosa, New Mexico. This is one of our favorite stops. We've been here 2 or 3 times. They've got a gift shop here, and we bought a ton of Christmas presents last year from here. We bought shirts and blankets. Gourds. So we're going to get some of these for our outdoor kitchen.
This is what we're putting on our stump beside our house.
For the tree we cut down.
Yep. Oh, I love that.
The original founder of Silver Moon Café was Special Forces Robert Ross. The food here is absolutely authentic and delicious. It's a historical landmark. Okay, Santa Rosa, New Mexico. We'll see you next time. All right, we're taking exit 218 so we can go to Clines Corner. It's a fuel stop, but it's also this weird, quirky tourist store. Look at all those windmills. They weren't here the last time we were here. Which was what, only about a year ago.
It was last year.
Clines Corner.
Well, we're at Clines Corners, New Mexico. It's a pretty cool place. Little eclectic gift shop. All kinds of neat stuff in here. All kinds of novelty stuff. Handcrafted tiles. Hot air balloons. Night lights. Beautiful hummingbird. Cool metal art. Cute little gifts. Okay. Do they have Alexander? Nope. If you need any dream catchers. Little decorative tumblers. Maybe shot glass with a straw. Liquid therapy. Day of the Dead characters. That's a cool one.
Well, Lynn would love that. I bought Ronnie and Tommy some knives from here. Check out the furniture. All right, that was Clines Corner.
Yeah, it was.
We stop here just about every time. Why not?
We stop here to stretch our legs. It's a good place to stretch your legs.
See you next time, Clines Corner. Man, their gas is always expensive here. Well, one more night at Walmart. We are just east of the Sandia Mountain, and we are calling it a night. Tomorrow we'll cross over Albuquerque and make it into Arizona. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll show you more quirky videos like this. See you next time.